When you think about the residential treatment journey, I wouldn't be surprised to see negative reviews online. Some of it is, being in residential treatment is hard. It's difficult work. And I think some of the negative review is just the initial, well, I wish I hadn't been there.
Sometimes with these reviews come out of a place of pain that they wanted something to work and it didn't quite work out the way they wanted it to, right? But that doesn't mean that it won't work for someone else.
Negative reviews can be scary, so I think if someone sees a negative review about Newport Healthcare, just keeping in mind that everyone's experience is different and individual. I think one of the important things is to be able to make an informed decision about whether Newport Healthcare's programs are the right fit, and that could start off with reaching out to our admissions department, getting more general information, seeing if you can get a tour with our facilities or speak directly to an on-site staff, just so that you have the information and your expectations are met.
People turn to those platforms when things didn't go exactly the way that they maybe thought they should. I think in the world of treatment, a lot of it is managing expectations. We come in with high emotions, a lot of fear, and a grasp for control in a situation that feels really out of control. What I would tell a family about those reviews is that we have so many people, our advocate community, those who are not even advocates, who would share with you all of the positive things that have happened at Newport Healthcare too.
Whenever we have our alumni events or alumni meetings and we see the stories of the kids that are coming in and all of them saying how much their lives have changed that they've been here, how much they see things differently now that they're here, how much that they're working better with their parents now and have such a way better relationship with their parents that they've ever had. I feel like that is really more of a reflection of the work that we do as opposed to situations where we might hear some negative feedback, even though we're taking that negative feedback and we're still using it to get better.
I looked on TikTok and social media to see what people were saying about Newport. And that's just a normal thing that we all do when we're going to a place that we've never heard of before. But that's just one person's experience. And I feel like in order to get your own opinion on it, you need to actually reach out and try. And I would not be the person that I am today without what I've been taught and what I've been helped for because of Newport Healthcare.
For us, we read the tough reviews about Newport, and we talked to the Newport staff, and we believed, and I still believe after my child has been through this process, that those are isolated cases, and we're getting one side or one perspective from a person who may have had a difficult experience. Our experience was reflected in none of those negative attributes that we read in some of the reviews. That's what you don't read in the Google reviews or the Yelp reviews. It are, those big success stories. The kids like my daughter who came out, who went into Newport being sort of a broken 7th grader, very low motivation academically, who is now a thriving high school student, who's very motivated academically. If I could put that in 100 Google reviews, I would, because that's the real story of Newport.